I'm baking like a champion, and you can too. You're gonna be so impressed with your strawberry rhubarb pie. Wait until you see this quick and easy recipe. That easy recipe, I've got that on my channel. Okay, towards the outsides of that crust. So again, away towards you, about 1 to 2 inches, anywhere possible. Okay, so take your rolling pin, right in the center, roll up one side, roll up the other side, lift, pie container, down, unroll, unroll. Around, lift up the edges and press into the bottom of the dish. Your bowls in the bottom. I'm gonna roll back number 1, I'm gonna roll back number 3. You could decide how tight you want to make that laths, okay? Then roll them back. And this is where you're supposed to turn off the camera so nobody knows exactly what you're doing because you're baking like a champion. Get your canned strawberry rhubarb pie filling. No affiliation, but hi, E.D. Smith. I'm Uncle Drew, and I bake. All right. Towel yourself off really quick. People are gonna think you're working so hard on it. The important thing about using the canned pie filling like this is make sure you rinse out the can. You don't put it right in the recycling bin where everyone's able to see it. You've got to put it inside a plastic bag, non-see-through, wrap it up really tight and put it in the back of your cupboard, like somewhere in the back where no one else is gonna look. Hide the can, no one will know that you're using this, okay? In it goes. Now spread. When in doubt, go to your backup can. Scoop and scoop. Put in the oven. There we go. Now's the time you get rid of the cans and have people walk through the kitchen. They'll see the mess. They'll say, wow, look how hard he worked. He was baking like a champion. Check out this bubbly here. There you go, everybody. The best strawberry rhubarb pie possible in your own kitchen when you're tight for time. Boom! Look at the design. Look at the design.